guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make oat milk. This is perfect for vegan or who are trying to avoid the dairy product. There are many options available in the market for dairy-free milk. For example, you can use nut milk, but if you're allergic to nuts, then this is right option for you. Oat milk is way to go. So let's get started with the oat milk. To make this oat milk, you will need oats. I'm using quick oats, but you can use rolled oats, whatever oats you have in the house. I do have this in my pantry, so I'm using this instant one, the quick oats. So I'm taking half cup, but if you're making in a large batch, you can take like 1 cup, but I'm just taking half cup today. Then with that I'm using 2 cups of water, honey. It's optional. If you like any sweetener, you can add maple syrup, or you can avoid completely if you don't like, but I'm just going to add a very little amount of honey. And this is also an optional vanilla extract. I'm gonna add this a little bit in it. So let's get started with the recipe. This is very simple recipe. What you're gonna do is just gonna take a blender. Any blender would work. Alright, so into this blender, here it goes our oats. I'm gonna add our oats, half cup of oats, and then 2 cups of water. And then make sure to use cold water, don't use hot water. Then I'm just going to add very little amount of honey, just a little bit, 1 or 2 drops, that's all. And a little bit of vanilla extract. That's it. Only thing you have to do is close this and just blend it all together. And don't blend it for long. Alright, so our oat milk is ready. Now we have to strain this. Here I'm using really fine strainer. As you can see, it's really fine, so I'm using this. But if you don't have this, you can use any strainer or the cotton cloth. We're going to add this. As you can see, it's straining really nice. We have got our 2 cups of oat milk, and this is the leftover oats which didn't grind well, but don't throw this out. You can also use this in other recipes. So, and here is our 2 cups of oat milk. Alright guys, so here is my oat milk ready. You can store this in airtight container for at least a week in the refrigerator. I hope you have enjoyed watching this oat milk recipe video, and stay tuned for my next video because I am sharing very interesting recipe. Next is going to be Starbucks oat milk recipe out of this homemade oat milk. So don't miss my next video guys. It's gonna be really yummy Starbucks drink recipe.